Ever tried to access a website only to find out it's blocked in your country? Or maybe you're worried about hackers stealing your data while using public Wi-Fi. Well, that's exactly why you need a VPN. A VPN keeps your online activity secure and private. In today's video, I will show you the top 5 VPNs for Windows, which includes both free and paid options. So you can pick the one that meets your requirements. So let's get started. At number 5, we have TunnelBear VPN. If you're new to VPN, then this is one of the easiest to use. It has a fun interface with an animated bear that digs tunnel to your selected location. With the free version, you get 2 GB data per month, which is great for occasional secure browsing. With this VPN, you can prevent data theft, access global content, bypass local censorship, protect your online privacy, and also prevent IP-based tracking. This VPN offers military-grade encryption and a strict no-logs policy. This means your data stays protected. The premium version removes the data limit, and you can access servers across 47 countries, including Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, Finland, etc. If you want a VPN that's fun, easy to use, and secure, then TunnelBear VPN is a great option. At number 4, we have Surfshark VPN. Unlike the free options, this is a paid VPN, but it's one of the most affordable VPNs out there. This VPN offers unlimited device connections, meaning you can use it on all your gadgets with just one subscription. Surfshark VPN has more than 3200 RAM-only servers in more than 100 countries. Not only this, but they also offer no-logs policy with faster speeds. And also, you get 24/7 support. Not only this, but if you get the subscription, then they offer 30 days money-back guarantee. Moreover, it also includes features like Clean Web, which is an ad blocker, multi-hop, which is double VPN protection, and even a built-in antivirus. If you're looking for a budget-friendly paid VPN, then Surfshark is the best option. At number 3, we have Proton VPN. So what makes this VPN special? Well, it's one of the only free VPNs that offers unlimited data. Most free VPNs cap your usage, but with Proton VPN, you can browse securely all day long without worrying about hitting a limit. With the free plan, you get access to servers in 3 countries, and this VPN follows a strict no-logs policy. If you get the paid plan, then you can access servers in more than 100 countries. Proton VPN offers features like Secure Core, Net Shield, and Kill Switch, and you can set up profiles to use the VPN. However, the free version doesn't support streaming or torrenting. But if security and unlimited browsing are your main concerns, then Proton VPN is one of the best free options out there. Coming in at number 2, we have NordVPN. This is one of the most popular VPNs in the world, which is known for its super-fast speeds and top-notch security. NordVPN has over 5,800 servers in 60 countries, which makes it great for streaming, gaming, and private browsing. NordVPN offers military-grade encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and its own secure VPN protocol. Not only this, but you get advanced features like DNS filtering, anti-malware, advanced browsing protection, ad and tracker blocker, etc. With NordVPN, you can also transfer files with MeshNet. If you're looking for a premium VPN that delivers both speed and privacy, then NordVPN is a fantastic choice. And finally, at number 1, ExpressVPN. If you want the best all-rounder VPN, then this is the one. ExpressVPN is known for its blazing fast speeds, best-in-class security, and the ability to unlock content worldwide. It offers one-click setup, you can switch between devices without interruptions, and also you can secure up to 8 devices with one simple connection. ExpressVPN is available for various platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, etc. This VPN offers features like 4K streaming support, kill switch, DNS and IP leak protection, password manager, free data scanner tool, parental controls, and more. ExpressVPN has servers in 105 countries, and it uses trusted server technology, which ensures no data is ever stored on hard drives. And also, it features a strict no-logs policy. So whether you are streaming Netflix, gaming, or just browsing securely, ExpressVPN gives you the fastest and the safest connection possible. Although it's a paid VPN, but they offer 30 days money back guarantee, so you can try it risk free. If you want the best VPN with zero compromises, then ExpressVPN is the clear winner. So there you have it, the top 5 best VPNs for Windows. If you want a free VPN, then Proton VPN and TunnelBear are great choices. But if you want the best security, fastest speeds, and access to unlimited content, then paid VPNs like Surfshark, NordVPN, and ExpressVPN are worth the investment. So which VPN are you planning to try? Let me know in the comments. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. And yes, hit the bell icon for more tech tips and content.